Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know what happened with the audio recording here in the beginning. We're going to do a quick video where what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can use the tech that you might already have available to give you a first draft that's really helpful. I came across this article that I really like and I want to share. So I'm going to show you how to do that and make you seem like you're a rock star. Before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, let me know what you think, and give me a subscribe if you like it. So I'm going to take this post, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pop over to Copilot. My real name's Michelle. If you're seeing me on YouTube, you might see something else. So I'm going to type in the box, I'm going to say, write me, write a social media post summarizing and encouraging folks to read the article and share the link for the article at. And then I'm just going to paste it in there and see what AI does with that. Now, what's happening on my side is my computer is definitely not loving this. So I've got a little bit of funny lag, but just trust me. That's what I wrote. Write a social media post. Here's the link. Now AI is going to take that link and it's going to read it and hopefully summarize it in a way that is adequate. Now, what AI did is it came back and it said, hey, here we go. Here's a first draft. This is where AI shines. For those of you that are not using this and you're click, 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 feel free to click, click, clack, clack, clack. Because you could have click, clack, 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 and then pasted a first draft. You could have said, polish my draft, and here it is, and then pasted it. So what does it say? Worth the read, worth the share, Mars Lewis dropped another blah, 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 blah. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to give yourself away if you use this. Do you see that? Do you see that hyphen right there? That hyphen has no spaces before it and after it, and it's long for. There's a name for it. I think it's like an ellipse. No, it's not an ellipse. I don't know. Anyway, most people don't use that. They'll use a dash, or they'll use a comma, or they'll use a parentheses. So look at this. Is this overdoing it? Does this match your writing? Is this the tone you want it to do? Now, let's say that's really nice and I want it longer. So I can say, make it longer. Okay, now it just did all that. Here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Now it's going to be long. See, isn't that nice? How nice is that? Now I'm going to say, make it funny and not quite as long. Again, I am just talking to it as if it is a person. It's not a person. It's not a person, guys. It says complicated tech, but it is code at the end of the day. And what I will tell you is if you bang, wait, what? That's funny. So like you see that, but I want you to know that if you switch to caps lock, you can get different results. In other videos, I'm going to show you that, but I just wanted to show you one time how I built a post. And let's say I wanted to use this post, but you know what? I don't really like it. I really did like this long one. Oh, maybe I liked a really short one. Let AI do a first pass. But if you don't have foundational knowledge, you are not going to be able to peer review it. And if you don't read the article, you won't know if this AI is reframing things. So be on the lookout for that sort of thing. Good luck. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will warn you, I am a conservative and I have a big mouth and sarcasm. So do it. See you in the next one. Thanks for joining us on Jalene's Water Cooler. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give us your thoughts. Tell us what you want to hear about. We're only here because of you. Thanks so much for watching.